Today I'm going to teach you how to create these 2 insane music video effects and transitions completely for free inside of Premiere Pro, because I'm going to give away the exact preset files and templates that you can download, like I said, for free in the description. Let's go. All right guys, we're inside of Premiere Pro. We have this music video test footage. Really quickly, if you ever need to apply a bunch of cuts to a video that's already edited, you can just go ahead and right click it, and then you just click the scene edit detection button, and then it will literally apply a cut at all of the cuts detected on the video. Boom, just like that, look at that, all the cuts are applied. The first effect is gonna be this crazy slide transition effect. So this effect requires that you use the new Premiere Pro 2026 object masking. What you're gonna do is first hold Option or Alt if you're on PC, drag up, and then we're gonna go ahead and go to the very beginning of that top clip. We're going to click the object masking tool in our toolbar. Now, if you don't see this, make sure you update to Premiere Pro 2026. And now once you hover over your subject, you'll be able to select them, and boom, just like that, we got Molly Santana selected, completely rotoscoped and object masked. If you go to the effects and controls panels, you can now go to the unassigned mask, and then you just literally click the play button. And just like this, Premiere will literally go ahead and start tracking our subject and creating a full mask around them. And then that way we don't have to do any rotoscoping, nor do we have to go to After Effects or, export a video. It's just like super easily done for us. And then once it's done, we literally drag that object mask below the opacity layer.
Quick location change, guys. So once we have our rotoscope subject, you can see Molly is completely rotoscoped out and completely masked out. We can literally just go to our effects and controls, and this is where we use our first preset, which is linked for free down below in the description. So go to the description, download that preset, and it is called the AutoEdit slide effect, I believe. And then we can literally just go ahead and drag this slide effect down to our bottom layer. So we're gonna go ahead and drag it just like this, and boom, instantly now we got this crazy looking flash slide effect. This looks absolutely insane. The fact that this is created completely inside of Premiere Pro. So that's one. There's even a different version which goes up and down. So we just hit Command Z to undo that, and I applied the other one, and now you can see this one goes like that, and then the camera starts moving. I think this whole thing looks crazy. Now, that's our first preset. Completely for free, link down below in the description. To download and install it, by the way, all you have to do is you download the file, which comes with a Premiere preset file. To install it into Premiere, you click the hamburger icon, you hit import presets, and then you literally select the file wherever you installed it on your Finder or Windows, and boom, just like that, it's installed, and you can now search it in your effects. Moving on to the second effect is a free camera shake. You can never go wrong with a good old-fashioned camera hit shake effect. All you have to do for this one is you literally go to your media library, create the new items icon, and then you're just gonna create a new adjustment layer. Once we create that adjustment layer, drag it onto your timeline just like this. And first things first, make sure that your sequence setting is set to 24 frames per second. So go to sequence, go to sequence settings, and set it to 24 or 23.976 frames per second. And then we can go ahead and go to our effects and control panel once again, and we're gonna search for that new hit effect that we just installed. So the installation process is the exact same. You hit the hamburger icon, you hit import presets, and you install that new camera shake hit effect, which we linked to below. And once you apply this, oh, actually wait, one step I actually missed. Make sure you change your adjustment layer to literally 6 to 8 frames long. That's very important. So we're gonna go to the very beginning of our adjustment layer, and I'm hitting the next arrow key. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, sure. 6, 7, literally 6, 7, sorry, I said 6, 7 frames long. Once it's 6 frames long, you're gonna go ahead and search for that new camera shake effect that you installed and drag it to the adjustment layer, and boom, instantly it creates a camera shake for us, which looks really sick. Like, this thing looks actually pretty crazy. We're gonna drag it to wherever we want. And the cool thing about this is that we can literally go ahead and hold Option or Alt to duplicate this camera shake, and boom, we got instant camera shakes applied wherever we want. So we can literally just go ahead and select this, hit Command C, and then Command V, paste it wherever we want. And you can just get a bunch of crazy camera shakes just applied to your video just like that. I think this is a great way to add a lot of energy to your effects. just makes things feel a lot more cooler. And there's a bunch of different variations in here, I believe. We have a full pack of camera shake effects. So if you want to download the full 50+ camera shake effects pack for Premiere Pro, I've linked down to it below as well. Obviously, making all these effects and downloading all these effects takes a long time. So if you want to edit your music videos way faster, we actually have this AI plugin called AutoEdit. It's an AI plugin for Premiere Pro, which automatically edits entire music videos. To use it, you just go to Window, you hit Extensions, and you click AutoEdit Music Video Mode. Now, FYI, this is a paid plugin, but just telling you from how much time it's saved me and how many more clients I've been able to take on, it is so worth it, because all you do with this plugin is you literally just upload your raw footage and it'll automatically build out a full timeline for you and cut your music video to the beat and instantly apply visual effects. For this part, you can actually see there's a AI visual effects applier, so I can literally just go ahead and go to the visual effects applier, and it has all of these effects that we just went over already pre-installed, plus a bunch more variations. I can go ahead and apply any type of camera shake I want by just clicking insert at playhead, and boom, instantly it applies all these camera shakes effects for us with all the motion blur and everything, and boom, look at that. Like, I just clicked one button, didn't have to create any adjustment layers, didn't have to drag and drop anything. And of course, there's a bunch of different energy presets in here as well. So not only is there just like a slide effect, but there are some like warp effects, there's flashes. You can see all these previews in right here. This one looks really, really crazy. We can go ahead and try this on like this future clip maybe. Let's try that. Boom. But anyways, let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any questions or have any concerns about this plugin, like, let us know. We'd love to hear what you guys think about this. And once again, all those free presets are linked below in the description for you to download them. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about how to automatically edit music videos using this AI auto edit plugin, you can check out this video linked right here.